Check out this 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are premium smooth ride suspension package, max trailering package, 9 speakers, Bose premium 9-speaker system, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and rear air conditioning. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.